Is it the right time to buy or sell the SQQQ ETF? In this video, we're delving deep into the SQQQ ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 2, 2024, our system has ranked SQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.73. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock currently sits at a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The ETF is currently in a significant downtrend, indicating a potential further decline in the short term. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -31.73% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between -38.05% and -16.64%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted -51.67% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between -72.31% and -5.56%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $3.92 to $13.35 after 12 months. Our latest update on the SQQQ ETF includes the headline, SQQQ ETF price up more than 5.13% on Tuesday. The SQQQ ETF price increased by 5.13% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, January 2, 2024. It went from $13.45 to $14.14. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the ETF continues to rise or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $13.79 and a high of $14.38, showing a 4.27% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances and is currently down by -0.77%. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, there were 7 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 126 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $57.84, while the lowest price was $13.11. Currently, the price is 75.55% below the 52-week high, amounting to $43.70. It is also 98.25% below the all-time high, which was reached on March 12, 2020. On that day, the price reached $808.47. Let's take a look at the signals for SQQQ. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 6.96%. This indicates a positive trend until a new top pivot is found. Volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that may have an impact on the short-term development. The SQQQ ETF currently has a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average gives a general sell signal. With the long-term average above the short-term average, there is a negative forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $15.22. On the other hand, if it falls, there will be support from the short-term average at $13.50. A break above the long-term average will provide another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $14.06. This support level can present a buying opportunity, as it is likely to lead to an upward reaction when tested. It's important to note that SQQQ is an ETF that can experience significant intraday movement and is considered to be high risk due to its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In the past day, it had a price range of $0.589, equivalent to 4.27% of its value. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 2.37%. Today, we're going to analyze potential day trading levels for SQQQ. If the market is moving in an upward direction, the first resistance level for SQQQ is at $16.30. If you don't currently own any shares, it could be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to explore swing trading. On the other hand, if the market is moving downwards, SQQQ faces its first support level at $14.06. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $13.53, which represents a decrease of 4.3%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences high daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was detected 3 days ago. Is SQQQ ETF a good buy? Although SQQQ holds several positive signals, we do not believe it is a strong buy candidate. At its current level, it should be considered a hold candidate or one to accumulate while waiting for further development. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been upgraded from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we expect SQQQ to open down by $0.0365 and begin trading at $14.10. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions involving securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your insights in the comments below. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.